I testified in the recent Inspector General lawsuit, both as a witness representing the county and we the people. We the people won the lawsuit. And in the 11-page decision by Judge Brunson, the entire issue of the lawsuit can be summed up in one sentence. The people are the government, and the officials who represent the people may not undermine the electorate because they disagree with the vote of the people. Judge Brunson concluded. This is really similar. This is a lawsuit of the Inspector General and the lawsuit, the referendum of the Inspector General and the referendum in the Agri-Serve of 1999, where the people overwhelmingly supported the Agri-Serve and the Inspector General's office. If there are ways to improve the rules of the referendum of 1999, fine. We certainly are open to improving and make it better. But the proper, legal, democratic way of doing it is to have another referendum, present both sides, the good, the bad, and the indifferent, and once again, let the people decide.